Hello and welcome to this video. After you have worked with Tableau for a while, it is likely that your workbooks will contain multiple worksheets. In this video, I will demonstrate some useful skills for managing the workbooks that contains multiple worksheets. So what we're going to cover is going to include how to reorder the worksheets, how to clear the worksheets, and also how to delete the worksheets. The workbook I'm using for this video is going to be available for you to download. This workbook contains 3 worksheets, so you can see the tabs at the bottom. That's sheet number 1, that's sheet number 2, and that's sheet number 3. Let's say for workflow purposes, I want to reorder the sheets inside the workbook. Let's say I want to move the pie chart on the bottom tab here to the beginning of the sheets. I just select it and just drag it, and you can see where the indicator line is, and just drop that. By doing that, I have reordered the position of the worksheet within the workbook. Another task that you can perform is to clear a particular worksheet, that is, clear the data stored in the worksheet. To perform any action on a worksheet, the worksheet has to be selected to activate the menu options. So the worksheet I'm going to be working with is this one called pie charts. I'm going to click to select it, and you can see the menu items here have become bold or activated. So if I want to clear the content of the worksheet, I can come here in the worksheet tab above here, click on it, and then select clear sheet, and that clears the data from that worksheet. If you want to bring the data back, you can do that by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. So I press Ctrl+Z and you can see the data has come back. If you want to undo that and revert back to the cleared sheet, just do Ctrl+Y and that will clear the sheet. You can also delete a worksheet. So on the bottom here where I've got my sheet called pie chart, I just right click on it and there's an option for delete. I click on that and that deletes the sheet from the workbook. In Tableau, once you delete a worksheet, you can retrieve it as long as you've not saved the delete operation to the workbook. So if I close this workbook now without saving it and I reopen the workbook again, the deleted worksheets will come back. So if you want to bring back a deleted worksheet, just press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard and that will return the deleted worksheet.